Mr. Aaron, Mr. Ryan, how are you today? Today is Friday, yeah? Okay.
Good.
So remember, a few while ago, we talked about maximum product of three numbers, yeah? Given any number, like 2 minus 3, 5, 6, 1, 0. And you want to find the max product of three numbers, yeah? What's our approach to do that? Do you still remember? Do you still
2
remember?
pointers.
No, 2 points.
And then sort it.
Sort it, yes, we sort it, and then what? If we sort it, this will become minus 3, 0, 1, 2, 5, 6. Okay, so what's the max three numbers you can pick to get the maximum?
2, 5, 6.
Yeah. And how do we check it?
We first check if they're negative numbers.
So we want to check the maximum three numbers and or the maximum, the maximum and then two numbers. If there's a 1 minus 100 here, so what's the maximum three numbers you can get? Times it together. Yeah.
Wait, 2.
Yeah.
If they're 2 negative, makes positive.
That's right. Yes. So you pick these two and the maximum. Yeah. So in short term, we want to solve these numbers and then we compute the product, the multiple of the maximum three numbers or the minimum two numbers and the maximum, right? Yeah? We need to pick, okay? So how about today is the simplified version. We want to find out the max product of two numbers. Just pick two numbers.
That'll be easy.
And so what's that? So if you want to pick two products and then to find out the maximum product, can you tell me how do we do this?
What does these two equal?
You times together is 300.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so what's your approach?
So, first we check if they're an even number.
Do we need to actually check?
No,
we
and
just...
if it's bigger than 1.
Sorry, what's the bigger one?
Wait, if there's more than 1 negative.
Okay, yeah, and? We don't need to actually check, we just need to compare two cases. The max two numbers and a negative one. A negative one.
Negative the biggest.
Negative, how many numbers we need to check? Negative.
2.
Yeah, we want to check the negative two numbers. And we want to find out the maximum of these two, right? Yeah? That will be, what's the term complexity if
This
you...
one is bigger.
Yeah. What's the term complexity?
What if... And again.
Yeah, because we need to
Sort.
it, yes, we're done.
What if it's like 50 and what would you...
It's 300, it's the maximum product. You can pick this one or that one, yeah? Okay, got it? So to do this, we need to sort this and then we find out the... Right? Yeah? Okay, let's do this. Define max product of two, right? And then nums.
Column.
First of all, we need to do what?
Sort it.
Nums dot what?
Sort.
What's the term complexity for this
And
one?
log n.
And then we need to return the maximum of what? The nums sorted will be slower to the maximum. So nums what? Can you tell me? Can you write?
From 0
Nums 0 times what? This is the smallest number, right? Times what? Times what? Nums what?
1.
Yeah. And between nums, the biggest number, which is what? The biggest number on the right hand side. If you sort it, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This
Minus
is
1.
yeah, numbers minus 1 times what? Times what?
Times nums.
This is 0, this is 1, and you're saying this is minus 1, and this is what?
2.
What 2? 0, 1, this is the smallest, this is the second smallest, this is minus 1 is the largest, and second largest.
3.
What's this? No, there could be any numbers here. Minus 1, this is index minus 1. What's this? Minus what?
2.
Minus 2, come on,
I
that's it.
just said 2.
is minus number 2. Okay. Half right. You're 50% right. Okay. Okay.
And 900.
The space. Okay. Can we do better? Can we do better? Can we do better?
Maybe we could.
So, why are we sorting here? Why are we sorting here?
Oh, because we want to get the biggest.
We want to get the 2 biggest and the 2 smallest, right? Yeah? Alright? If we know the biggest, the most largest 2 and the most smallest 2, do we need to sort? Yeah? We just need to find out the 2 largest and 2 smallest, right? Alright? Yeah? Can we do that? Look, Eric, look. If we do this, this is the number, yeah? 0, -5, 6, 2, 1, -100. Okay. For example, we want to find out the maximum 2 numbers. Yeah. Just maximum 2 numbers. Let's set the maximum. The biggest number 1. Okay. Let's say the biggest. Okay. And then the second biggest. Yeah. Alright.
The biggest so far is this.
I know biggest and second biggest. Initially, you will be equals minus negative infinity, yeah? Yeah, so because I want to keep it, yeah? Okay, now, I go through this, okay? I don't need to sort it, I go through it. Is 0 bigger than the biggest now?
What's the biggest so far?
Yeah, this is the initial value, yeah? Yeah? Alright? So, if it's bigger than that, first of all,
You set it to that number.
if it's biggest than that, then I set it to 0.
Yeah.
Not yet. If I set it to the biggest, right? So what happened to the second biggest?
Will have to be
Look,
smaller than
Eric, look. For example, if current biggest is 9 and 7, okay? Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the biggest, and then this is second biggest. If I have a current number which is 10, so what's the biggest?
10.
What's the second biggest?
9.
Yeah, you got it?
So
So-
if we have a new one, the biggest will be the second biggest, and the new one will be the biggest.
Yeah, kind of. Yeah, you're right. Yes. So look, then first of all we need to replace we need to save the second biggest now, right? Because it will be the second biggest, alright? This will become second biggest and erase this, alright? 9, and then I put a 10 here. It's the same, yeah? Got it? Okay. Another case is 10. If it's 7 and if it's 10 here, right? The biggest, second biggest. If 8 comes in, what happens?
So
Yeah?
so you need to because it's bigger than the biggest.
No, it's not
No,
bigger.
it's smaller than the biggest.
By its second.
So it just swaps around with.
Yeah, you just take away. Yeah, you got it? Yeah? So if we go through that, follow this strategy, we can get the biggest and second biggest, right? Yeah, so, and the same thing, the smallest and the second smallest, alright? Yeah? So if we keep 4 variables and following this strategy, then the time complexity is what? Well done, Owen. Yeah, good job, Ryan. You're listening, yeah? Good job, Owen, because we're just going to ones, yeah? Going to ones, am I right? Okay? Owen, okay? So it's which one is faster? Can you tell me?
This one.
Why is that?
Because it's
And the other one, the first one is what?
you need to sort it.
And what the complexity for that?
Owen again.
Yeah. Yeah, so this is better than the second one, eh? Okay, let's try this. What's this? Eric?
It has glass.
Okay, look, Eric. Let's write it. What?
Return.
Not yet. We know not return.
On the.
Okay, not yet. Look, let's say the biggest 1 and the biggest 2. Biggest 1, biggest 2 equals minus negative at the beginning, right? Yeah? And then smallest 1 equals smallest 2 equals what? If we want to keep the big, is what? The initial value for the small value.
We do the biggest.
Yeah, the max to infinity. So we can get a thing, yeah. So for the number, yeah, I in
I'm
nums.
following the lines again.
Alright, look. Alright, can you tell me? Can you tell me? Look, Eric. I is the current number. Right?
Me.
Eric, look. If I is bigger or equal than B1, which is the biggest one, so what should we do now?
We shall.
Now B1 is the biggest, B2.
B2 equal B1.
B2 equals B1, yeah? And then B1 equals what? I, right?
B.
Yeah?
I,
Okay, then as if I is bigger or equal B2,
B2.
then what? If it's only bigger,
B2 equals I.
equal, yeah. Yeah? Got it? And then we need to do this for the small one and small two, yeah? If
I is smaller or equal than
small one, yeah? If this is small one, this is small two, okay, we can say S2 equals S1, S1 equals I. If I is smaller equals S2, S2 equals what?
I.
Okay, and that's it. After this, we have the B1, B2, which
That's
is the
enough.
biggest. Small S1, S2 is the smallest. And what should we return? Return what? Return max
B1, B2,
of what?
S1, S2.
B1 times what?
B1 times B2.
And
B1 times B2.
And what?
S1 times S2.
yeah, because we want to find out the product between the maximum largest two numbers or the smallest. Can you tell me why we need to find the product of the smallest two numbers? It's easy question.
Because the smallest might be negative.
Yeah, if double negative makes positive, yeah. If minus 100 times minus 200 may be bigger than 5 times 6, right? Easy as that, right? Yes? Okay, that's it. That's very good. Okay, that's very good. Okay, I'm just going to erase this bit. Can you tell me what to put here?
B1 times B2.
Yeah? Come.
S1 times S2.
Okay. You want to write it? Come on. B what? Come on.
B1
Time.
times
Yeah, you can just write time, yeah. Oh, you don't need to write. Okay. Time.
B2
Yeah, there's space here. Okay, come on.
S1 times S2.
Okay, good.
Bracket.
Yeah, that's it. Good job today. Good job. Very well done. Good job. Bye bye. Bye bye. Are you okay, Eric?
Yeah.
Okay. Say bye bye.
Bye.
What you doing?
Drawing.
Drawing what? What's that, Eric? Okay, good job. Bye bye.